So this animation looks pretty nice, but how do you do this? Well, grab your Microsoft PowerPoint, because that's all we noobs have. So first we need to make those fancy looking objects. Starting with the landscape, a random object and a light. The object now needs some shadows and bright sides. We repeat this to make it look like it's 3D. Now add some white reflections and you are done with the shapes. All we need to do now is give most of the shapes a gradient that matches the surroundings and its light level. Those are the rules in a nutshell. Before we start, I want to show you 4 simple tricks to use when drawing something in PowerPoint. If you already know these, well, congratulations, I'm still gonna show them. If you insert a shape and hold Shift, then the shape will maintain its aspect ratio. If you insert a shape and hold Ctrl, then the shape will move its origin to the center. Of course, you can combine this with the first trick. If you want to move a shape and hold Shift, then the object will only move horizontally or vertically. The last trick is the most useful one. If you have 2 shapes overlapping each other, and you select them both, then go to the merge shapes, and there will be all the magic you need. This becomes very handy when creating shadows. So now we keep this in mind for the creation of the rocket. I'll play some music and you sit back. If you don't want to see this boring time lapse, just skip to 8 minutes. Now we have our illustrations, we can start animating. For this I am using simplified objects to really see what's going on. I will add a square that resembles the view. If we move the entire background, you'll see that's all we need for a basic rocket takeoff. So let's animate that. Go to Animation, enable the Animation tab and add some motion. Now drag the red dot to the right position. This is the end position of the animation. Green is the start. Now we want the animation to start when the slideshow starts. By watching the preview, we can easily change some settings until we are satisfied. I got some more objects in this slide, so let's bring them in. This is the smoke coming out of the rocket from both sides. The green square makes it look like the smoke rolls over the grass. First we add a start animation. Now add the rotation effect. Double click the effect and go to timing. We want it to spin forever. Add a small delay to the background animation so the rocket doesn't take off immediately. The smoke is a separate object, so we need to add a path matching with the background. That's what we need. Now we can copy the animation of the background to the green square. And we can copy the smoke animations to the other one. Edit this one to mirror the rotation. fire needs to go behind the rocket. So to not block the view, we need to turn off some other shapes. We do this in the Selection tab. The fire needs to appear, move a little, and then disappear. I'm adding a single path going up. I remove the smooth ends and reverse the motion. It also needs to repeat. Now bring back the hidden objects and test the animation. Pretty good. Now of course this could never be the final creation. If you add grass, hills, trees, bushes, clouds, the sun and stars, maybe some asteroids or planets, and you upgrade your main object, you just put them together and there you go. If you like this video, share or let me know in the comments. Good day!